Today we're going to be installing a Torklift rear camper tie-down part number C3206 on a GMC Sierra 2500. Beginning on the passenger side, remove the nuts and bolt plate attaching the bumper bracket to the frame. Then remove the bolt installed in the frame next to the bumper bracket. Next, loosen the nut holding the leaf spring shackle. Lift the tie-down receiver upwards between the vehicle frame and bumper bracket. Make sure the leaf spring bolt protrudes from the slot in the receiver. Loosely install the hex bolt removed from the frame earlier. Align the holes of the frame, receiver, and bumper bracket, then install two M12 bolts. Secure with the factory nuts. Torque down the receiver, beginning with the two bolts on the bumper bracket. Followed by the frame bolt, then the spring perch bolt. Repeat these steps on the driver's side of the truck. Finally, slide a tie-down insert into the receiver and secure with a snapper pin. Your installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.